U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now you know your ABCs.
This time will you say the sound? Let's chant!
Now we know our ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Sing with me!